Yo, it's your baby Skiz, and this is my daughter's Alfredo, Chicken Alfredo. Y'all see it. Okay, for one, it's homemade, and I will say it's got a nice creamy texture. And she really put her foot in it. I was eating it, and I was just like, wow, she really made a really decent chicken Alfredo. Now, she woke me up to this, so I was half asleep, but I will admit, I really enjoyed it.